Neo is our answer to the challenges that system integrators are facing in the digital signage industry when it comes to operational control and installation services. For example, do you actually know if a screen is on and not in standby? Or how do you prove the uptime requirements of your SLA? Neo helps to tackle these challenges by remotely monitoring and controlling the power in your digital signage installation. What people in our industry really appreciate is our API. It's easy to implement and supported by more than 40 CMS partners. You can connect it via USB, but also use UDP if you prefer. We've added features that we really know system integrators are looking for. For example, automated startup sequences, which you can use to first power a player and 10 seconds later a screen. But also automated recovery of screens that go into standby. Neo also offers an extensive range of monitoring features, such as watchdogs, power level warnings, but also diagnostic counters, which you can use, for example, to see when and how many times a device was switched on or off. As you can see, Neo has 4 power outputs. And like a smart PDU, you can measure the actual power consumption of your devices. You can create power schedules, and you can remotely switch your devices on or off, all from behind your desk, avoiding unnecessary field visits. But Neo does more. It comes with a free online dashboard, and we focused heavily on making it compact so that it fits behind the screen instead of it being a rack-mounted solution in a server room. And this makes it really a scalable solution, both for small projects and large volume rollouts, whatever vertical it is, whether it's retail, education, museums, or office spaces. It can be deployed anywhere. Neo also acts as a standard Nextmosphere controller, which means that you can connect any Nextmosphere sensor, such as a presence sensor or a LiDAR sensor, to create interactive applications, collect data, but also make smart energy-saving routines. For example, dim a screen when the person walks away. I'd really like to invite system integrators to think about how they are currently monitoring their installations and how they handle field issues. For example, if the backlight in the screen breaks down, how do you know? Or if the ticket printer in the system needs a reboot, are you going to send a field technician? Or are you going to do it with a single click from your office? And I'd really like people to know that if they want to discuss what Neo can do for them, our team is happy to help.